Hello, my friend. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you understand English but feel nervous when it's time to speak? Don't worry, this is very normal. Many people have the same problem. In this lesson, I will help you. We will talk about common problems English learners have. Simple and real solutions that work. Easy tips to help you speak better every day. Let's begin together. Problem 1. I understand English, but I can't speak. You watch movies, listen to music, maybe even read books in English. You understand the meaning. That's great. But when someone talks to you, you don't know what to say. Your brain stops. You feel stuck. This happens because you don't practice speaking. Listening is good, but it is passive. Speaking is active, and your brain needs practice doing it. Solution: shadowing technique. Shadowing is when you repeat what someone says right after them, like an echo. Here's how to do it. Find a short video or podcast, maybe 1 minute long. Play the audio and listen carefully. Play it again. This time, repeat everything the speaker says. Try to copy the same sound, speed, and tone. Example. Speaker: I'm going to the store to buy some milk. You repeat, I'm going to the store to buy some milk. Do this 10-15 minutes every day. Your mouth will get used to English sounds. Your brain will get faster. After some time, you will speak more naturally. Problem 2. I'm afraid to make mistakes. You know some English. You want to talk, but you feel shy or scared. You think, what if I say it wrong? What if they laugh at me? What if I make a mistake? This fear is very common. But remember, mistakes help you learn. Every fluent English speaker made many mistakes before. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Solution: speak in a safe space. You need to practice speaking with kind, friendly people. You can. Talk to a friend who is also learning English. Join a speaking club online or in your city. Start with easy topics. What's your name? What do you like to do? What is your favorite food? Speak slowly. Don't worry about grammar, just talk. The more you speak, the easier it gets. Problem 3. I don't know what to say. You want to join a conversation, but you don't know how to start, or you think, I don't have enough words. That's okay. You don't need big words to speak fluently. You just need a few simple sentence patterns you can use again and again. Solution: learn speaking templates. Templates are sentence patterns that help you speak easily. Here are some good ones. I like English because it helps me talk to more people. My favorite movie is Spider-Man. One time, I met a tourist and helped them in English. Learn 5-10 of these. Practice them every day. You will always have something to say. Problem 4. My pronunciation is not good. You try to say a word, but people don't understand you. Or you feel unsure about how to say something. Don't worry. English pronunciation is hard, even for native speakers. But you can fix it with time and practice. Solution: record yourself and listen. Use your phone. Record your voice reading a sentence in English. Then listen to a native speaker say the same sentence. Compare. Do you stress the same words? Do you say all the syllables? Is your tone the same? Practice every day, even 5 minutes. After 1 or 2 weeks, you will sound better and feel more confident. Extra tips for speaking English fluently. Here are more easy tips you can use every day. Think in English. Try not to translate from your language. Start small. For example, I am hungry. I will go to the market. It's hot today. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. You can talk to yourself while walking, cooking, or cleaning. Watch English shows with subtitles. First, watch with English subtitles. Then try watching without them. Repeat words and phrases you hear. Final words. You can do it. Speaking English fluently takes time, but it is not impossible. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying. Speak every day, make mistakes, learn from them. Little by little, you will get better. Believe in yourself. You are doing great already because you're here, learning and practicing. I believe in you. Now go and speak English with confidence.